SARVESTAN Apartments by KARABON in Tehran, Iran. SARVESTAN is a medium-sized official project in the Pasdaran residential/official area of Tehran that has significant density and population in the residential area, which is changing from old residential units to official units. Therefore, in the near future, with the start of these projects, the population/traffic density of this area will increase. Also, the alleys of this area are very crowded due to their small width and urban development, which is full of 5-story and high-rise buildings and high traffic of cars. Therefore, the main idea of this project was to design an open space with as many details as possible to create a green space in the yard, with the aim of conveying the sense of peace and energy of nature to passers-by, neighbors, the city, and citizens. Experience comfort in this density and crowding, even in a short period. In the design of the facade, on the one hand, we needed to create the maximum surface to receive the most light for an open plan, and on the other hand, we were looking for a surface to display the facade of the building. We were also looking for details that would allow the plants to grow and develop freely and also allow the plants to be seen by residents, neighbors, and passers-by. Therefore, considering the brick neighbor and believing in using indigenous and sustainable materials with identity in our contemporary architecture, we chose brick as the main and integrated material of the facade and used the brick grid layout most simply. We chose the bright color of the facade to improve the project's effect on the audience, absorb minimal radiant energy for the growth of plants, and display green plants better on a white background. For many reasons, including the loss of usable courtyards in new urban projects, we removed the courtyard wall at the border between the land and the street to allow passers-by and neighbors to communicate with the green and open space of the courtyard. About interior spaces, the project is designed to hand over to anonymous users. Therefore, the project spaces were designed with the most optimal facilities and the simplest form of spatial division. Since the customers and users of each unit were unknown, the minimum space, facilities, and services were considered for the units, and the rest of the spaces were designed as open plans.